In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a watermark in Clipchamp, step by step. Whether you want to protect your content, promote your brand, or simply add your channel name to your videos, this method is simple, clean, and works perfectly inside the Clipchamp editor. Make sure you watch until the end so your watermark stays visible for the entire video and looks professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the watermark. Once your project is open and your video is already on the timeline, look at the toolbar above the timeline and click on Add Text. This is where we'll create the watermark. After clicking Add Text, choose a simple text style. For watermarks, it's usually best to keep things minimal and clean. Once you select your preferred text style, click on Add to Timeline. This will place the text layer directly onto your timeline above your video clip. Now you'll see the text layer appear on the timeline. By default, it may only last a few seconds. Since we want the watermark to appear for the entire duration of the video, click on the edge of the text layer and drag it all the way to match the full length of your video. Make sure it stretches from the beginning to the very end so the watermark remains visible throughout. Next, click directly on the text box in the preview window. This allows you to edit the content. Type in your watermark text. This could be your brand name, YouTube channel name, website URL, or even something like Copyright Your Brand 2026. Keep it short and professional so it doesn't distract from the main content. Once you've typed your watermark, we're going to style it properly. With the text selected, go over to the right-hand sidebar and click on Adjust Color. Here you can change the text color to something that contrasts nicely with your video. White is commonly used, but depending on your background, you might choose black or a brand color. Now here's the most important step for making it look like a true watermark instead of bold text. In the same settings area, find the transparency option. Click on transparency and adjust the slider to lower the opacity. Reduce it until the text becomes subtle but still readable. Usually somewhere between 40 to 70% works well, but adjust it based on your video. The goal is to make it visible without being distracting. After adjusting the transparency, click and drag the watermark text in the preview window to position it wherever you prefer. Most creators place watermarks in the bottom right corner, but you can also use the bottom left or even the top corner depending on your layout. Avoid placing it in the center so it doesn't block important visuals. If you want to make the watermark stand out slightly more without increasing opacity, you can click on Highlight in the text styling options. This allows you to subtly emphasize the watermark while still keeping it professional. And that's it. You've successfully added a watermark in Clipchamp. Now when you export your video, the watermark will appear throughout the entire clip, helping protect your content and reinforce your branding. Before you go, if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Clipchamp guides. I post step-by-step tutorials just like this to help you create better videos faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.